Alright, reviewing everything from yesterday. Sector of a circle. The shaded part right here is a sector, just like the unshaded part is a sector. So every time you have one, you're actually going to have two. Doing the area formula, just pi r squared. So pi, in this case, 7 squared. If I want the exact answer, do the numbers, put pi behind it. So 49 pi. If I want the decimal version, I would just multiply that out.
153.9.
And you get that. When I come over here, same formula. Now, what is my radius in this one?
8.5.
8.5. Where is that 8.5 coming from?
17 divided by 2.
17 divided by 2 gives me that. If I want the exact answer, I do just the decimal, or just the 8.5. Get 72.25. Remember, do not round it. It's got to be all the numbers. There's my exact. And then 227, I think, was the rounded version. If it gives you the area and says, go back and find the radius, we start with the same formula. Divide by pi first. I think it was like 69.1. And then square root that. So that was 8.3. All right, come over here to the last one. It says find diameter. What do I have to do to find diameter?
Multiply by 2.
Find r just like normal, then multiply that number by 2. So we would start by saying 129 equals pi r squared. Divided by the pi, what was that,
41.9.
Square root it. And it was 6.4. But again, that's r. We're supposed to find diameter. So 6.4 times 2 would be the diameter. You get 12.8. All right, here's the formulas. If it says find the area of a sector, we're going to do that one. If it says find anything else, we'll do the top one. All right. So on this one, it says find the area of both sectors. All right. If it says area of a sector, degree over 360 times pi r squared. What is the degree for the RS one?
63.
So I'm going to do 63 over 360 times pi r squared. And in this case, r is 5. So tell me what that is. So that would be 13.7. All right, now I want to find the RPS, the big one. First thing I got to have is the degree. What is my degree right here for the big one? How am I going to find that?
360 minus.
I know the whole thing is 360, so I'm going to do 360 minus whatever's there, and that'll tell me what the rest of the angle measure is. So this would be 297 over 360 times pi 5 squared. And we get
64.8.
64.8. You get 297 over 360 times pi 5 squared. You did pi. All right. All right, so if I want to do this one right here, it says find the area of the circle, the total area. Where's total area at in this formula? The total area in the formula. Which one of these? 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's the top, right?
What's the formula for area? Pi r squared. So guess what? Pi r squared is my area. Remember last time we took out 2 pi r and put in c? We're We're gonna take out pi r squared and put in A. When it says find the area of the whole circle, take out pi r squared, put in A. Where did we say the area of the sector part's gonna come from?
Outside.
That's the outside part, the 22. The degree always goes where? On top of 360. Now I've got a simple proportion. I cross multiply, divide to get my answer. That's 45A.
What about that 22 m squared? Like you wouldn't put that.
The m squared is just like meter squared, feet squared, that doesn't matter. We need the number. So I get 45A. What is that? 7920?
Yeah, 79.
Divide by 45. How much? So again, if it says anything other than area of a sector, we're going to do the proportion. The area of the sector part here is going to come from the outside. Pi r squared is my total area, so I'll put the A in, degree over 360. All right, if I'm looking at this and it says find radius, well, the first thing I'm going to do is find A just like we did before. So 12.7 over A equals 105 over 360. Do your cross multiplying. All right, what is the 12.7 times 360?
45, 72.
Then I'm going to divide by the 105, and A winds up being 43.5. But again, it's asking me to find R. Well, once I know what A is, I just go back to the regular formula, pi r squared. What is A? 43.5. What do I do to find R on this? Divide by pi. So what is 43.5 divided by pi? 13.8. So 13.8 equals R squared. And then what do I do? Not square it, but square root it. So 13.8 square root of that is
3.7.
For this, it tells me the total area here and the sector area there. So the 42 is the small one. And the 205 is the area of the whole circle. Now the first question says, give me the radius of the circle. Well, if I have the area, I can find the radius. All I've got to do is go to the pi r squared formula. What is the total area? 205. Equals pi r squared. Well, how do I solve that for R? Divide by pi. Y'all tell me what that is. 65.2 or 3, doesn't matter. But that's R squared, so then what do I do with that? So I do square root of 65.3 and get 8.1 maybe. So there's my radius. Well, now it's saying circumference. How do we do circumference? What's the formula for circumference?
Oh, in. No, that's
2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. Well, I just found what R was, so all I got to do is 2 pi 8.1. What is it? 50.89. All right. Now the next one says find measure. If it says anything other than area of a sector, how do we set it up?
the degree over 360.
And then what's the other side? Small area over big area. What's the small area in this one?
42.
So I'm going to do 42 for the small area over what for the big area? 205. Equals the measure of xy, which is what I'm looking for, over 360. So how do I solve that? All I got to do is multiply the 360 on the other side.
Can you cross multiply on the calculator?
You can do that right there on the calculator. The 360 times 42. Oh, yeah. How much?
73.7.
73.7 is the degree for XY. Well, then it says length. Now, we hadn't been doing length on this stuff. That was something on the last one. How do I do a length problem?
The
Our length over, 360.
Degree over 360 times what? What's the length part?
2 power.
2 pi r. So this is going to be degree over 360 times 2 pi r. It's the same stuff that we did before for arc length. So degree is what we just found. Times 2 pi r. R we found was 8.1. So 73.7 over 360 times 2 pi 8.1 gives us